Hello everyone! For today's video, I will share with you the 6 steps to finding your husband or wife. Finding that special person God has for you is one of the most important journeys you will take. Now, here are 6 steps to help you in your search. First, prepare. Be sure you are ready emotionally and most importantly, spiritually. Second, ask. Pray for guidance in finding your spouse. Remember, you have not because you ask not. James 4:2. Third, obey. Obedience to God's word will keep you on the right track. Fourth, focus. Keep your eyes and heart on Jesus, not the anxiety of searching. Fifth, wait. Be patient and understand that God has a perfect time for your path to cross. 6, relax. As you are doing your part, God will take care of the rest. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.